Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. I'm back. I'm back. You guys, oh my gosh, you guys not believe what the hell is going on with me. Hold on real quick. I really got a dry throat from all this drama. You guys, I miss you guys so much. You guys just don't understand. Oh my God, let me tell you what's going on with me. What the hell has been going on with me? I think I just spit. You guys, I've been running through one dilemma to another. Is that the saying? From one problem to another problem? Something like that. First problem, you saw the video already. Power outage for 5 days, you guys. And yes, the power did came on. Finally. And then the day after that, my laptop was acting up. I couldn't get into my program, which is the Final Cut Pro, so I can edit my videos. So I was going 2 days, go back and forth, trying to figure out what the hell is going on. Not only that, my laptop battery needed to be replaced. So I took it into the shop, to Apple. Apple got back to me and told me that it's going to take up to 7 days for them to replace my battery. Before that, you guys, there was at least 3 to 4 days of me trying to figure out why my program is not working. My Final Cut Pro, my video editing software. Whatever. Anyhow, so my laptop is still at the shop, you guys. So when you guys see this video, oh my God, I don't have my laptop yet. So it's probably going to be a day delay. You know what I mean? Hopefully I'll get my laptop tomorrow. Well, actually, they say the 8th. Today, no, not the 8th. Well, hopefully I can get my laptop within 3 days from this video. Whatever. Anyhow, I hope you guys are doing great. I'm so sorry, you guys, but sometimes when I face with dilemma like that, I tend to lay low. Like, I just want to be in my little coop, you know. Just get a load of this real quick. Oh, gosh. I added so much cheese to this one. It's not even funny. I think it's too cheesy, but whatever. Anyhow, you guys, when I face with dilemma or certain situations like this or similar, I tend to keep to myself and stay in my own bubble. You know what I mean? I don't want to air out. Well, I don't want to, yeah. Not just you guys, family members as well, even close friends. I just like to be kept to myself. This is how cheese, you know the KFC mac and cheese, you know how it's so cheesy? Look at that. This is exactly like their version. But this one's awesome. This one's plant-based, you guys. We have some Boca, the company called Boca Nuggets. These are supposed to be chicken nuggets. I dressed it up with some barbecue sauce and ranch. You guys. So forgive me for not even putting a post up. I don't know. I just... You know what? I don't want my problems to be a burden. This is what's going on in my head. It's been a long, long time since having these Boca Chicken Nuggets. Have been air fried. Got some news, you guys. Just got my oh my god, they did a root canal. Did a root canal right here, that teeth right there. So the root canal was done. So now I gotta go back to my regular dentist, so they can put a cap. Cap? Is it a cap? You know what I mean? Put a tooth over that tooth. Put a tooth over my real tooth. A cap. I think that's what's called, a cap or a crown. But they said, don't be eating like this on that side. No. As long as don't chew anything too hard on this side, I'm good. Until I get my cap. Once I get my cap on, y'all, I'm gonna be eating some sugar cane. I think that's how I chipped. Not chipped. That's how, if you guys noticed, this one right here is kind of jaggedy. I think that's how my filling, because this was filled, you guys. I think I chipped it when I was pulling on those sugar cane. And didn't even notice that it was missing. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, did I offer you guys a bite? Go ahead, take a bite. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. The barbecue sauce come through. Feels like summer all over. I had to kick him out. I know, you guys, my hair is still the same. Okay, you're gonna get a peek. Okay, it's still in the bun back here, but I haven't got a. Oh my god, I haven't got a chance to take it in to get it cut, professionally cut. But not only that, I gotta put up the community post. I gotta put up the haircut style you guys want, so you guys can vote. And then we'll go from there. Oh, getting full, y'all. Oh. Oh. Okay. We're almost there. You want to at least eat the nuggets. These nuggets, you guys, you gotta eat them quick. If not, it's gonna taste like cardboard. Man, I hope I can get my laptop quick, because this is not the business. All right, now. Almost done. Man, it is so cheesy. Sounds like I'm complaining, but I'm actually not. Ooh, I can taste the pepper. Pepper jack pepper. Is it pepper jack? I forgot what the pepper's called. Pepper jack. Whatever. Oh my God. I'm so full. So full of it. I'm so wishing and hoping and praying that I'll get my laptop tomorrow. So far, I haven't got a call from them. So. All right. We are down to the nitty-gritty. Here. Oils. Man, that was delicious. All right, you guys, I want to thank you. I want to thank each and every one of you guys so much. I really do appreciate every time you visit or have brunch with me. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Click on the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or Fatu. Yeah. You can go. Beep, beep.